Hey everybody, this is Brendan here with Common Motor, common-motor.com on the internet. Today we're going to be upgrading the fuse holder and fuse on this vintage Honda CB350. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to upgrade the fuse holder and the fuse type on this 350. Now, bikes like the 350, 450, 175 use just one fuse and a fuse holder, and it's this, what I call a coffin style fuse holder, and it uses a glass fuse. And one of the reasons we want to upgrade this is because a lot of times the old ones, the terminals wear out, and glass fuses are becoming increasingly difficult to find, especially if you're out in the middle of nowhere. So we have a couple other options here of alternatives for fuse holders. Both are made by Posi products. This one is their round tube fuse holder, which is nice because not only is it like the Posi-Locks, and you can check out our Posi-Lock video for more info about that. They can go on easily with your fingers, but you can drop your fuse in and just screw it together. And regardless of the length of the fuse, this holder will accommodate it, even if it, so if you run across, even though it's the correct amperage fuse, but a different physical dimension, this is a great alternative for that. But the thing I like even better is this fuse holder, which is an ATC fuse holder, same thing, Posi-Locks on the end, which uses a more common ATC style blade fuse, which you're gonna find at every gas station, auto parts store, anywhere you go. It fits regular size and the micro or mini size of the ATC fuses. So we're going to install this one on the bike. It fits really well, and we'll get into it. The tools we're going to use for the job are going to be all the great stuff from King Tony. Some electrical pliers here, which are wire cutters and wire strippers here that kind of do everything. Some wire side cutters. I personally like to use these for cutting wires, and just some regular needle nose pliers here for getting in, pulling things and moving things, whatever. So we're going to take the seat off the bike and start replacing all the pieces. So here's our fuse holder right here. They're typically around the battery box. On the 350, it's up front, and we're gonna pop that out just like that. We got some clips there. Now, this mod only applies to 350s, 175s, 450s that use one fuse for the whole bike. So this is one 15 amp fuse here. Let's take a look at the fuse holder inside. Let's see if it's any good. Actually, this one's in pretty good shape. We're going to change it anyway, but oftentimes that these terminals fall apart or they get corroded, whatever. We're going to go ahead and upgrade it. So, take my side cutters here. I'm just going to clip, and we're done. Okay, this is a 14 gauge wire, and what's really nice about these KT Pro cutters is they have all the sizes right there. So we're gonna cut about that much off right there. It's about a 1/4 inch, maybe just a hair more. Take just a little bit more off here. Just like that. One of the things I like about this ATC fuse holder is that it fits really well in the stock location of the original fuse holder. It's a little bit loose there. I can bend the tab a bit. We'll tighten it up, but just to show you that, yeah, it fits really well in stock place. So that's why it's another great upgrade. With the Posi, all this Posi stuff, it's really easy. Just poke the wire through. Into here. Tighten it down. Just like that. It's that easy. If you need to take it off, you can unthread it and take it off and remove it if you need to. That's why these things are fantastic. We're really a big fan all these Posi connections. I'm gonna loosen that one up. You don't have to take it all the way out. You just have to get it loose. Get the wire in there. Good, give it a good kind of shove it into place till you feel it stop. Keep some pressure on it as you tighten it up here. Make sure it tightens up well, just like that. Perfect. Get a little tug. That's a great, like an easy upgrade replacement there. I'll grab my pliers here. Give these a little bit of just a little bend. Not too much there. And we're gonna pop it in place. Yeah, just like that. So again, it fits the regular ETC fuses, but you know, you can pop it out of there. And you can always use the mini. It's like that case, that's all you can find. It'll work too. So it's kind of a nice upgrade option, especially because these fuses are easy to get. Glass fuses are increasingly difficult to get. There you have it. Quick and easy fuse upgrade for your vintage Honda, going from the old glass style fuse in the coffin holder to a modern ATC fuse, which are readily available in just about everywhere you can find them. As always, this is Brendan with Common Motor. It's common-motor.com on the internet. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to our newsletter via our website, and of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel down below, and don't forget to ring the bell. See you next time.